Hey everybody! You know that we love to use games in our teaching at VBS, and every day you've got two great options for your review games. On day 5, for one of the review games, it's a Pinata game, and we're in North America. It's super fun for Mexico and stuff. So we made our pinatas. It's super easy. You just need to go to the grocery store, get a paper grocery bag. In fact, they donated these to us. And then you just cut some crepe paper and glue it on. Really easy, sticks easily. Get a rope for your handle, and if you can just see here, we kind of threaded it through, okay, and tied it off there like that. So obviously you know how to stuff a pinata. You might want to use some newspaper that you've stuffed up and throw in some candy or stickers or whatever you want to put in there, okay? Close it back up. I would suggest taking it like this, putting some duct tape or packing tape along the back here, okay? And then you've already got your handle, right? So you can put it on your broom handle. And always when you do a pinata, you're going to make sure the kids are far away, that nobody's going to get hit with the stick that you're using. The teacher might just want to do it as mentioned in the lesson. But anyway, this is what you can use for your pinata for day 5.